Hello everyone, this is Miss Obregon, and today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite Web 2.0 tools, Knovio. Now Knovio can be used with any slide presentation that you have created, so this includes Google Slides, PowerPoint, and Canva. So this is your dashboard once you get started, and if you want to create a new Knovio, you click here under New. And then it's going to ask you to go ahead and upload files. So you're going to click Upload File, pick the presentation, and click Open. As you can see here, it's downloading your file for you, and it shows you the progress of the download. While it's downloading, I'll just let you know that Knovio allows you to record audio narration to your slides, as well as a video recording of yourself presenting your slides. So you can use those two options. And this is a great way to demonstrate your learning. Here, as you can see, it's preparing your slides. It's still uploading. And look at all the different options that you have. You can record each slide. You can also do an auto narration with these slides. You'll be able to publish these slides or post these slides to a showcase. And here you can see that my slides are uploaded. Once they have been uploaded, you're going to click the record option. As you can see here, it has uploaded all my slides from my presentation, and it's showing me my home slide. Here, if I wanted to, I could turn on the camera and you would be able to record yourself presenting the slide. But today I'm just going to use narration to demonstrate how to use Knovio. Here you'll see the record button, and you will click the button in order to begin your narration. So let's click. It gives you a little starter. Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Knovio to present your knowledge and create a beautiful product. As you notice, once I was done recording my audio, I pressed stop. Now, one of my absolute favorite features of Knovio is the fact that if for whatever reason I wanted to re-record the slide, I don't like the audio that came with the slide. Let's say I made a mistake or I forgot some information, I can always re-record just that particular slide. So unlike other WebPoint 2.0 tools such as ScreenPal, where you would have to re-record your whole presentation or edit your presentation once you were done, this lets you record slide by slide at a time, which is a great option. So that way you basically do your presentation in chunks. So here I have an option. I can record this slide. Gives me a countdown. The great features of Knovio are that you can use it with slide presentations, you can record narration, you can record video, and you can use it for all content areas. Now, here I'm going to re-record and just show you how easy it is. Knovio has some great features. You can use it with all your slide presentations. You can record just audio to accompany your slides, or you can also choose to record video, and you can use it for all your content areas. Here you can see that I can play the video. Knovio has some great features. You can use it with all your slide presentations. You can record just audio to accompany your slides. So you see, right after you recorded your narration for this particular slide, slide, you can preview it, and that's where you have the option that if you want to re-record, you can go ahead and re-record. What I also like is, say for example, you decide to switch out your slides and you want this one here and you want this one to be your second slide, you can do that. You're able to drag and drop and reorder your slides, and the audio recording follows each slide, so you don't have to re-record. Just every single time that slide pops up, your audio recording or video recording will follow that slide. So let's say I'm done recording. As you can see, it gives you a little check mark saying that you have the recording. If you want, you can even trash that particular slide. So I'm going to go to preview. Launch preview. As you can see, it's loading, and then you just press play. Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Knovio to present your knowledge and create a beautiful product. Knovio has some great features. You can use it with all your slide presentations. So you can see there I've recorded my audio and I am basically narrating my slides, and you can do full screen if you want. Once I'm done, I just exited out from the preview, and now I'm going to click Save. I'm going to give my presentation a title. You can give a small description if you'd like, and save and publish my Knovio. Now it gives me the option. It has saved my Knovio. I can continue recording, I can share, I can post it if I'd like. I can manage it within my Knovio library, but today I'm going to decide to share it. So I'm going to click Share. I can embed this in my digital portfolio or my website. If you've created a website, you can also export it and you can download it if you'd like. So it's easy as just basically copying the link, and then you can go to your particular website, or if you wanted to download the link to an email to go ahead and share with your teacher. Like I said, you can also do a digital portfolio and embed that within your digital portfolio. So that is Knovio. As you can see, it's very user-friendly. It is a great option for when you want to present any kind of slide presentation that you have created, and it really vamps up your product and demonstrates your knowledge of that particular skill or topic, and your audience will really, really enjoy having your audio along with your presentation or your video. And that's Knovio. Thank you for listening. I hope this helps.